Okay, welcome to Team Artificial Intelligence Robotics demo on computer vision. Today we are doing a computer vision project with a Logitech camera. It's a web camera, and hopefully I'll be able to show you that camera. Let's show you the camera if possible. Right, not possible to show you the camera. So yeah, the same webcam we are using to do some image processing and some video processing. So the aim of the project today is to detect this this is a white this is a um, it's a red cap. It's very simple project, it's not tough at all, and hopefully everyone and anyone of you can do it. And what we see is we are seeing the algorithms predicting the uh, the object, and we are correspondingly getting a processed image on the right hand side. And what you see over here is the values that are being predicted from the Hogg's circle detection algorithm. The Hogg circle detection algorithm is one of the most standard algorithm used by many people, and it helps you identify circular objects. And the primary importance of this project will be in the field of artificial intelligence and computer sciences, and especially in autonomy, because in most of the projects you need people to follow some rules and regulations, and to follow some measurements and some ground truths. So this acts as a ground truth. And if you guys remember, where have you seen this thing last? So I remember that I've seen this thing maybe on a red light signal. It's a red light, you can assume this as a red light. Or maybe you have seen this thing in some sort of a signal. What do you mean by a signal? Some sort of a a caution board, maybe something written on it, work under progress, or there is a hole dug on the road, or maybe there is a school ahead. So these things help you identify what segment of intelligence should you apply. So supposingly if this is a red light, so this should mean that my vehicle should stop. And supposingly if this is a this is something called a signal, traffic, something called a school signal, then it should tell me that okay, I should probably slow down because there are students ahead. And what we are doing is we are detecting the radius, the coordinates, x and y coordinates, and these are standard signs. The signs of the red light and signs of roads are pretty standard. So we have an approximation for ground truth as well. So we can measure the depth, how far is this from the camera, how near is this from the camera, and approximately we can find a magnification, and we can do a lot of image processing based on autonomous things using a simple algorithm. So I'll not say this is a very core algorithm, but what I'll tell you is that this is one of the most basic and important things which an autonomous person should need in order to have these algorithms, in order to have these functionalities properly adjusted and played. So with that, I like to end this video, and I hope you have tried to see what we have done over here. I'll show you the code later, because the code needs a lot of explanation. It's a simple Hausdorff matching algorithm, and I'm using a Natraj. It's a company that makes pens and pencils, and very famous company in India. So I'm using their cap, one of their caps, as an object detector. And the reason, one more thing I like to tell you is that my algorithm detects only very bright objects, or objects which are of darker color, like the red one. And the reason is because most of the objects you will find which needs our attention will be really dark and red in color in real life times. So okay, and on that bombshell, I'll really like to end this video. And hopefully next time when you guys come, we like to show you more of the code, how we did this, and you can implement the same at your homes. And I really like to tell you that vision today in autonomous world is one of the most important tools one can have, similar to eyes, like we humans do. And we really sense a lot through these eyes, and we like the same for the robots as well. So As a matter of fact, that was Team AiR, and my name was Suryansh Saxena. And thank you for watching my video. And if you like our video, and if you would like us to show you the code, you can give us a thumbs up or a +1, so that we get motivated and shoot the next video as soon as possible. So on that bombshell, all right, thank you, and stay tuned to channel of AiR.